god.
Hey!
What's happening? Nothing. Nothing.
Are you crazy?
Nothing. Don't you dare.
Sunny! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Y'all! Like and subscribe if you think your kids should follow directions.
Welcome to Evie's CosplayWorld. I'm gonna be opening these things.
Wow.
So this is what I got. Gamora's so cute. What? Nothing. Nothing.
Hey!
What's happening? Nothing. Nothing.
Are you crazy?
Nothing.
Are you opening stuff without me again?
Yes.
No! Evie! You're supposed to wait for me to do this. Everlini. Alright, wait for me. I'll be right back. You can keep opening. Look, we are opening Star Wars Doorables Squish Squadron. Squish Squadron. These are so cute.
So I got this guy.
Wow.
Look at the details on these.
Yeah.
These are so cool. Look, it comes with instructions. Oh, it spits out the little barrels.
They're like the drinks.
Look.
I have drinks that are called barrels.
Barrels, little barrels. And these are squish. There's 35 of them.
Wow.
Oh man, look at this. There's special editions. There's ultra rares.
She's so cute.
Yeah. It's Ahsoka.
She's so
Let me
cute.
sing. Regular Ahsoka.
Wow.
Ahsoka. So we got a double for Ahsoka. We'll put her right here right now. Look, Evie's opening these guys. And this is where we're putting them. Look. It's a great place to put these. They have wheels, and this is where the little barrels come out. When you twist this over here, look, it turns this and the little barrels will come out.
Hard with one hand.
And you can put them back up in here. This
It's
closes.
really hard with one hand.
These are actually great, like, actual toys.
Yeah.
But, I mean, this is our Star Wars zone right here.
Nice.
Oh, what if we open that in this video?
We already did. That thing is open. Oh, this guy. Yeah, we can open this one, too. This is a
And
D23
I'm opening it right now.
Darth Vader. All right, we're going to open up all of these, and we'll be right back to show you the final product. Ooh. Oh, look, I got Chewie!
Wow.
Chewie, Chewie, Chewie. Oh, yeah. This is a good one. R2-D2. Look at that. I got R2-D2. She is a double.
Wait, let me see.
Oh, I got the Dark Lord.
Oh my god!
Oh, it's Grand Admiral Thrawn. Here. Oh, he's so cute. Who is this guy? Oh my gosh. Wow. So we are like sitting right here unboxing this.
Oh, we got.
And look, this is what is right here. A booty. And he toots.
What?
No, no. Sonny. No.
Oh my god!
Sonny. You naughty kitty.
Are you crazy?
No. 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 Don't even think about it. Sonny, no ma'am. No. Okay, I'm gonna move this. Ah! Ah! I scared everybody. Oh my gracious.
Don't you dare.
Sonny! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Get out of here! It's become chaos. Max, Stewie, Sonny, I knocked over this thing.
Oh my
I mean,
god!
dang. Maximilian. All right, so we have finished going
We
through all.
just need one more to finish our collection.
Literally, the only one we did not get was Darth Vader. The
And
red Darth
this
Vader.
Is our amazing pile, guys. Look at this.
Yeah, we got all these barrels, and we're actually going to
Pop them
use
in.
these into these because we're gonna repurpose these two shelves right here. We're gonna take those and put them into these little shelves.
We're
right
gonna
here.
need 3.
Yes.
Look how many we got.
Oh my gosh, Maximilian! That was a crazy toot. He's like, wasn't me. Yeah, we're gonna repurpose these so that we don't waste all this plastic. All right, this is the final product. We have one space available for Lord of Darkness.
What if we go like this with them?
Darth Vader. So this is all the squishies. They're super cute. We're gonna use this container to store them all, and we are only missing Darth Vader, red Darth Vader. Evie, we'll see you next time. Don't open things without me anymore, young lady.
2 times.
Like and subscribe if you think your kids should follow directions. Peace. Bye, Evie. Oh my gracious. Apologies. I caused a little bit of... Sorry, my bae. I caused a little bit of havoc over here. Maximilian.
Oh my God.
Max. Maximilian. Y'all. Oh my God. Oh boy. Okay.